Diving into the past, staring straight into the cryptic, this is the portal to the enigmatic and the unknown. This is where history's shadows, secrets of the occult, and the interweaving secret plots come to the light. Unravel the secrets lying dormant for ages, waiting to whisper their truths. From ancient civilizations' perplexing enigmas to modern-day conspiracies that shake the very foundation of belief, we explore it all. Witness testimonies, expert analyses, and a touch of skepticism. We're not just telling stories, we're seeking answers. Histories, mysteries, and conspiracies, where every mystery is a story, and every story holds a mystery waiting to be solved. Join us. A great civilization is not conquered from without until it has destroyed itself from within. Will and Ariel Durant. Hidden from our minds, lost to time and speculation, beneath the waves of the ocean lies the legendary Elusive Atlantis. The legend of Atlantis, a city submerged in mystery, has captivated the imaginations of explorers and scholars for centuries. Its story begins with dramatic visuals of an underwater realm, shrouded in darkness yet teeming with the echoes of a once vibrant society. The origins of this captivating tale trace back to the philosopher Plato. In his dialogues Timaeus and Critias, he introduces us to a utopian island kingdom that supposedly existed 9,000 years before his own time. Plato's accounts are the earliest known references to Atlantis, serving as the foundation for all subsequent theories and explorations. According to Plato, Atlantis was no mere city but a sprawling empire located beyond the Pillars of Hercules, the ancient term for the Strait of Gibraltar. This advanced civilization was characterized by majestic architecture, diverse populations, and an abundance of natural resources, all laid out in concentric circles of land and water channels. The timeline of Atlantis is as intriguing as its infrastructure. Plato asserts that this formidable power existed in a golden age of peace and prosperity before succumbing to greed and corruption. The eventual downfall of Atlantis came abruptly, as the island sank into the sea in a single day and night of misfortune. Among scholars, there is a belief that Atlantis was perhaps a philosophical construct rather than a real city. Plato, known for his use of allegory to discuss ethical and philosophical issues, might have invented Atlantis as a metaphorical caution against the hubris and moral decay that could destroy even the most advanced societies. Plato's tale of Atlantis might not just be a product of creative mythology, but could be rooted in real historical events, such as the catastrophic eruption of Thera, now known as Santorini. This massive volcanic event devastated the Minoan civilization and could have inspired the dramatic end of the advanced Atlantean society in Plato's narrative. Another intriguing theory places Atlantis in West Africa, specifically at the Risha structure in Mauritania. Often called the Eye of the Sahara, this circular formation remarkably matches Plato's descriptions in terms of size and geography, sparking debates about its potential as the true location of Atlantis. The Caribbean has also entered the discussions as a possible site for Atlantis, spurred by underwater ruins found near Bimini. These structures have led some to propose that Atlantis was located in this region, submerged by rising sea levels and catastrophic events, echoing the sudden disappearance described by Plato. In the cold waters of the Baltic Sea, recent archaeological discoveries have fueled speculation about Atlantis's possible northern location. Proponents of this theory cite similarities between discovered artifacts and descriptions of Atlantean technology, suggesting a connection that could redefine historical understanding of European prehistory. The theory that Atlantis could be buried beneath Antarctic ice is bolstered by interpretations of ancient maps, like the Piri Reis map, which some believe shows the continent ice-free. This hypothesis suggests dramatic shifts in the Earth's crust might have moved Atlantis from a temperate location to its current frozen state. The theory that Atlantis was a larger landmass encompassing the modern-day Azores is fascinating. Some proponents believe that this now-submerged land bridge once connected Europe and North America, which could explain inconsistencies in ancient navigation maps and local folklore about submerged cities. Artistic representations of Atlantis have varied widely, echoing the mystery and allure of the lost city. From Renaissance paintings to modern films, each depiction offers a unique interpretation of its grandeur and technological sophistication, underscoring humanity's ongoing fascination with this legendary civilization. The advancement of modern technology has notably enhanced the search for Atlantis. Satellite imagery and deep-sea robotics offer new possibilities for uncovering submerged ruins, potentially bringing us closer than ever to solving this ancient mystery. Interviews with experts often reveal a spectrum of opinions about Atlantis. While archaeologists typically advocate for a cautious, evidence-based approach, historians might emphasize the narrative's mythological roots, and scientists could speculate on geological phenomena that might explain such a massive disappearance. The connection of Atlantis to other mythological and historical sites stirs a rich dialogue among enthusiasts. Some suggest parallels with biblical tales such as Noah's Ark, while others see similarities with ancient civilizations like the Minoans, further enriching the tapestry of legends surrounding Atlantis. Atlantis has long been a staple in the world of conspiracy theories, often portrayed as an advanced prehistoric civilization with technologies far beyond what modern science can explain. This has led to numerous speculative theories about its influence on ancient technology and culture. Spiritual and esoteric groups have also found a deep connection with Atlantis, particularly through the teachings of Edgar Cayce and various theosophical societies. They believe Atlantis was a spiritually advanced society whose knowledge and wisdom were lost to the world through disaster. The legend of Atlantis has stirred significant discussions about climate change and rising sea levels. Its story of a civilization swallowed by the ocean resonates with contemporary fears about environmental degradation and the potential for widespread catastrophe. Despite its rich narrative, Atlantis also contributes to pseudoscience and pseudo-archaeology, where enthusiasts often skew historical data to fit the Atlantis template. This has resulted in numerous unfounded claims that distract from legitimate archaeological and historical studies. The psychological allure of lost civilizations like Atlantis reflects a deeper human yearning to explore the unknown and understand our past. The story of Atlantis, whether myth or reality, continues to fascinate and inspire, fueling endless quests for its discovery. The quest for Atlantis continues to captivate scholars and adventurers alike, yet conclusive evidence remains elusive. Despite numerous expeditions and extensive research, the existence of this legendary civilization is still a topic of debate, surrounded by a mix of myth and speculation. Reflecting on the story of Atlantis, it becomes evident that it teaches us much about human curiosity and our inherent desire to explore the unknown. This tale, whether fact or fiction, encourages a deeper understanding of our past and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. So we question, was Atlantis a historical place or merely just a metaphor? For more content like this, share and subscribe.